Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. As you know, already we started an institution in the name of Shikhara Tutorials exactly 3 months back. First, we started with the CMA final coaching. Then, after we started the CMA inter coaching, in few months, we are going to launch CMA foundation batches also. But what is the new thing in this video, sir? Yes, we are going to start CA final coaching. Sir, for which attempt? Who are the faculties? What is the batch commencement date? What are the fees details? Related this, I will do separate video. But now in this video, I want to communicate the few details to the CA final students who are going to write their examinations in Jan 2026. Yes. What is that announcement, sir? From our Shikhara tutorial side, we are going to launch revision exams and study hours. Yes. This batch is applicable for the CA final students who are going to write their examination in January 2026. Sir, how many days are available for the CA final students? Yes. October 25 days, November 30 days, December 31st, January 4 days. Hardly we have a 90 days time. Hardly we have a plus or minus 1 or 2 days. We have a 90 days time for January 2026. Sir, okay, from your Shikhara tutorial side. Yes, we are providing the study hours facility along with the revision exams. That revision exams now we are providing students who are appearing for group 1 or group 2. So both group students, that schedule also very tight. That's why we are not conducting any revision exams, and the revision exams for the both group students who are going to write their group 1 examinations or group 2. Yes, they can attend for these revision exams. They can attend for these revision exams. Now I will show you the schedule of group 1 as well as group 2 also. Yes, after this video, yes, I will share these all the schedules in a Telegram group also. So we divided all the chapters in FR and AFM and advanced auditing and professional ethics into some parts. Remember, every 4 days, we are going to conduct a test. Every 4 days, we are going to conduct a test. Now, so if you are observing that first exam will start from the 10th October. First exam will start from the 10th October. Yes, next, if you are checking this timetable, yes, every 4 days we have an exam. Last exam is on 13th 12 2025. After that, you will write in 2 grand exams. You will write in 2 grand exams. Yes, grand test 1 and a grand test 2. From our side, we ended this grand test 2 also 27th December. So that means after whatever the number of days are available, I think in January month 4 days, in December month you have some more 4 days. You can prepare on your own for the subjects which you want to allocate more number of time. Now, this is a group 1 timetable. Yes, you can see we are breaking down all the things, but at last exams, we are provided the revision. That means already portfolio and mutual funds, you written one exam. Yes, portfolio as well as mutual funds. But we again wants to allocate some time to the chapters which are important in exam point of view. Yes, here professional ethics. Yes, in FR financial instruments, business combination and consolidated financial statement. That means second revision also we want to provide in the 4 days exam. So if you are observing the group 2 timetable, so there is no exam for IBS from our side, but we can conduct IBS in grand exams only. Yes. Now, if you are observing that, if you are preparing for group 2, is easy to clear. And one more thing I want to mention, if any student already completed coaching, then only you can attend for the revision exams. Sir, I am watching classes now. Can I attend for these exams? Maybe difficult to read along with the classes. Definitely these timetables will be useful for the students who already completed their coaching. So here also first revision exams will start with the 10th October, and every 4 days one exam. Every 4 days one exam. And the grand exams also the same manner. The grand exam 1 and the grand exam 2. Grand exam 1 will end with the 21st December. Grand exam 2 will end with the 27th December. Here also we are providing some 8 days for your last minute preparation. Okay, if you are weak in any subject or including IBS, yes, you can use that number of days for that particular subject. Next, here also we are providing the revision. Sir, in CA Final DT, okay, DTAA, AMT, MAT concepts are very important, and PCBP including total income also important. So that's why we allocated some more time for the revision of the chapters. Yes, here for IDT we provided revision multiple times. Yes, here place of supply revision, already place of supply done. But again we are given the time for the revision. Exemptions under GST. Now time of supply, value of supply, input tax credit. These are all the things again we are added into the revision. One time already over, but again you can prepare and you can write that exam. That means indirectly we can say there is a cumulative exam. Once if you completed the concept of the input tax credit, again you can recall that input tax credit in the further examinations also. So now most important matter, what is that fees details? Yes, sir, I want to attend only for study hours. Yes, you can come and you can attend for the study hours only. Fees will be 1200 per month. Sir, I want to take the revision exams, you know already, either group 1 or group 2. Anything you can choose. Sir, if you are attending only group 1, yes, you can choose it. Only group 2, you can choose it. But both groups, it is difficult to frame the question papers also. And it is difficult to prepare within this 90 days time period. So that's why we are ignoring for this attempt. Next attempt onwards, we can plan for the both groups also. What is the fees? 2000. Yes, these are the details from our side. And remember, again I am saying these schedules and all the things will be useful for the students who are already completed their coaching. Definitely, if you are starting your preparation now onwards also, you can clear group 1. And if you are writing group 2, yes, you can clear group 2 because you have a 90 days time. Thank you. Have a nice day.